Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Who doesn't love sweets? This recipe is such an amazing mouth-watering recipe. This is especially for those who have a sweet tooth or those who are sweet lovers. Trust me, you will be amazed with the end result, or you will just enjoy this having at your home if you prepare this. So watch the video till the end and you will just see how smooth and soft and fluffy it is. So let us see how to prepare it. Take a pan, put it on low flame and add 5 tablespoons of sugar. We are preparing a caramel here, so just allow the sugar to melt on low flame only, and you can see that it's slowly melting and it's turning into light golden brown color. Now you need to wait till the entire sugar granules melt like this, and now you need to wait for the perfect consistency of caramel. You need to be very careful because if a few minutes, a few seconds become late, then your caramel will be hardened. So see, this is the perfect consistency. Now switch off the flame, and as soon as you turn off the flame, you need to add it into the bowl in which you are preparing the dessert. Now see, after adding the caramel, you need to spread it like this. Now this caramel is ready, put it aside. Now take a bowl and add bananas. Mainly in our houses, people don't like to have ripened bananas. But trust me, if you have this ripened bananas at home and they are left over, you prepare this dessert, you will have an amazing result, and that flavor adds so much taste to your dessert. Now add 2 eggs into this. For 2 ripened bananas, add 2 eggs. Now start beating it with the help of a whisker, or if you have forks at home, you just blend it or mix it in nicely. Now take a blender and then add all the ingredients, that is the bananas and sugar, into it, and add sugar according to your taste. Here I have added 4 tablespoons of sugar and 250 ml of milk into this, and then I have blended nicely, see, like this. Now take a sieve and then start adding this. Why I am sieving it? Because there will be some banana seeds in it, so that will disturb our perfect texture, smooth silky texture. So that is why you need to sieve it like this. Now once you are done, I have added saffron for nice flavor and also for nice texture and color, and pepper powder. This is must. If you add pepper powder, that takes this dessert to another level. Trust me, you'll truly enjoy this. Now take a idli cooker or a steamer if you have at home. Add water, that is 2 glasses of water, and then place a stand on top of it, and take this bowl and put it in, and then close it with a lid and steam it for 25 to 30 minutes on medium flame. And that's it. After 25 minutes, our dessert is all ready. Now you can name it whatever you like it. Either you call it pudding, but see, in this we didn't add any gelatin or nothing else, but simply 2 ingredients, and you can have an amazing dessert. Whatever you name it or you call it, but trust me, the main important thing is we should enjoy this dessert. So trust me, this is an amazing dessert. You will truly enjoy this, and we have added bananas in this. Bananas are very helpful, and especially it has an antidepressing agent, so you can have it guilt free. See, it's so soft and fluffy, and trust me, it's mouth watering, and also if you put a spoon inside it, it just melts away. It took us time to prepare this video, but it took us just minutes to finish this dessert. As soon as we completed this shoot or completing the video, done. Our sweet or dessert is all done. We gulped like anything, and we truly loved this. I hope you like this video, and I am sure you are tempted with this. And don't delay, just go prepare this, because it doesn't take much time. You can prepare this within no time and enjoy with your family. Please subscribe our channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.